Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Zola wedding website. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to use Zola wedding website. So let's get started. So on the first one, on the step one, you have to sign up, which is to visit the Zola website, then click on setup wedding and fill in your details to create an account. After that, you have to verify your email address just to get your account activated. And after that, on the step 2, you have to set up your wedding website. So log into your Zola account, then click on create wedding website and choose a template that suits your style. Then after that, you have to customize your website by adding your name, your wedding date, and welcome message. And in step 3, you have to add important details. To add important details, you have to navigate to the details section and add information about your wedding venue, your date, and time. Then include details about accommodation, transportation, and a dress code for your guests. And after that, you have to create your registry. Go to the registry section, add to your registry from Zola extensive catalog or link to other stuff. Then customize your registry page with a welcome message and photo. Then manage your RSVPs. Enable your RSVP features on your website to customize the RSVP form to collect necessary information about your guest. Then monitor your RSVPs and manage your guest list in the guest list section. Then after that, you have to add a personal touch. Upload photos and share your love stories in the our story section, and add bios for your wedding party members. Then include a schedule of event and any other important information for your guests. And also in step 7, you have to publish and share. Once you're satisfied with your website, click on publish. You can also share to your wedding website with your guests via email, social media, or your wedding invitation.